What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be giving you a huge update, heading into tomorrow, guys. We have the CPI report. It's absolutely incredible how fast these month-to-month CPI reports come. But yes, tomorrow morning, the next one is in for the month of June. So there's going to be like a 2-week delay because we're already in a halfway point of July. So I want you to drop me a comment. What do you expect to happen? Is inflation going to come down? Is it going to skyrocket, or is it just going to stay the same? Be sure to drop a comment. And once again, if you enjoy this video at all, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We will be keeping you updated daily. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, we can see here the stock market live updates. Oil collapses. Stocks slide ahead of inflation data. So this is kind of strange to me because all these other CPI reports, you usually see those oil stocks doing good, green days and stuff like that. So to see oil stocks collapse with, just regular stocks, that is a little bit strange. So I do know that, gas has come down, in Florida a little bit, under $1. Is this the peak in oil? This could be a sign of inflation peaking. We know that oil plays a huge factor in these inflation reports. Also, other factors as well. So don't forget to drop a comment. Do you believe we're going to hit the peak or continue to move higher in inflation? And we can see here, this is the website if you want to go, on early in the morning. Let's scroll down a little bit right here. 8:30 a.m. The new CPI report is going to come out. So you just go over to this website. I really don't like to look at this stuff in the morning, guys. It just, stresses me out. I usually look at it a couple hours later because I'm not really playing these, morning, call options, VIX, stuff like that. I just let this stuff, continue to happen. I want to get into the next bull market rally. But, this is a great, chance to make some money. I'm sure if you guys, have been doing this for the past couple of months, you already bought your puts, at the close around, 4:30. So it's just another reason why I was staying off of the, YouTube and stuff like that, because there's really nothing happening good inside of the market for the past month. And it's just amazing how fast the CPI report just came again. We can see here S&P 500 down 1%, Dow down 0.6, NASDAQ 0.9, Russell 0.2, and we can see SOFI actually had a green day today. So, a good day. And then we had, all those gains wiped out in after hours. We know SOFI is the king of losing after hours gains. I mean, this thing drops 0 to 2% every single day for the past year. It's just absolutely incredible how manipulated this stock is after hours. So pretty solid day. It's just a break even, so really nothing's happening at all. I told you guys in the video where I just came back, I said this stock literally 5 to 9 to 6 to 8, 5 to 6, 6 to 8. It's just in the $5 to $8 range for the past like 4 to 6 months, guys. It's just absolutely incredible how contained and controlled this stock is, along with many other stocks like a Square, Robinhood, Affirm, Upstart. Everything's in the same type of patterns. We can see White House braces for another ugly inflation report. We once again have no clue if the truth is, do the White House get these reports prior to them coming out? I do believe so. So maybe they know it's going to be bad and they're trying to make themselves look better. So the White House is pushing it out. Be prepared for a bad report. So that's another thing. You can drop a comment. Did the White House see these inflation numbers prior to them coming out at 8:30 in the morning? I would assume so, but we can see White House says June inflation report is already out of date. I think that's what I was talking about at the beginning of the video, where I said we're already at the midway point of July, so this isn't really reflecting where inflation is as of today. So who really knows? But just know that it's not good news when you have the White House saying, brace for a bad report. Some other huge news, guys. Take a look at this. We know that, all of these big Bitcoin stocks like a Coinbase, also Robinhood, a lot of these companies, Bitcoin heavy, Voyager filing for bankruptcy. It's not just those types of stocks, guys. Look at Microsoft laying off a portion of its workforce as part of realignment. So, guys, even Microsoft is cutting back. What was it? 5? Okay, so the layoff reportedly affects less than 1% of Microsoft's workforce. So I was thinking like 5%. So they're at about 1%. So it just looks like they're trying to budget. We know there's other companies like a Visa, Netflix, also cutting back, 5 to 10%. So even the top companies in the world are pulling back, their staff. So this is, interesting to see, but 1% is not that bad. So if we take a look at all the stocks I watch on Webull, we got 105 growth stocks. Look at this, guys. At the bottom, we have Sentinel One, Zscaler, Cloudflare, HubSpot, Datadog, Snowflake, MongoDB, CrowdStrike, Splunk, Salesforce, Okta. Guys, look at that, guys. These are all cloud SaaS. Every single one of them, besides Enphase. So for some odd reason, cloud stocks just got annihilated today. And I just told you guys in another one of my videos, every other week, there's just a different group of stocks, different sectors that just get absolutely destroyed or have a green week, guys. There's no correlations at all of any of this type of movement, guys. This is all algorithm trading, repositioning portfolios and stuff like that. So today was the day to dump SaaS, as you can see. It would scroll up a little bit. Amazon down 2, Target down 1. So not a lot of deep red, but a lot of red today, as we could see. So we can see there was a little bit of green today. We have JP Morgan in the green, Best Buy, Marvel in the 1% range, Airbnb, 2% Fisker, Teladoc 2, Open Door 2. If we go to the top, Boeing, WeWork, GameStop. So a lot of different stocks and all different types of sectors had some green today. So just a very strange day. Deep red in SaaS, some small green. It's just a strange day. But what I really want you guys to see is SOFI Technology calls and put options, guys. This is absolutely incredible to me. We could see the option expiration, date for this week is July 15th, and we have a big one. We got a 275,000 calls. But guys, look at, pretty much every call, week listed, guys, until January 2023. We got nothing. 18K, 17K, 8K, 4K, 48, 1,000, and then the 81. The 81 is a little bit high, but guys, take a look at that. Pretty much nothing for like an additional 6 months. So the call options for the past year have been absolutely wiped out. Just no movement in the SoFi stock. Puts have been pretty much hammered too, just sitting in the $6 to $8 range. So guys, until January, I mean, after we get by this week, I don't see a lot of call options. I think a lot of people inside of the market are pretty much toast and fried and, hit the road a while ago. I mean, these are some low amount of open interest on the call options, guys. I mean, 80,000 is the highest. Remember, every other video I used to do was 200,000, 300,000, 400,000. I was doing that for like a couple of months straight at one point. So this is a good sign that, the dumb money has left the building, and now the big money could just go all in and get a nice big, 100% move in a random couple of weeks if inflation comes down. And then all the, fanboys and all of the, chasers and stuff like that are going to come chasing and FOMOing in, and then, you're going to see these call options explode again. But this is just something to think about. We also have, an estimated date. This is not 100% confirmed, but guys, look at this. Right around the corner, SoFi, August 11th. Guys, this is less than a month away. We have earnings heading our way. According to Zacks Investment, they're estimating a negative 12-cent loss. I think this could get blown out of the water because they got that bank charter now, a full 3 months with the bank charter license. And just last quarter, they were at negative 14 cents. And the quarter before that, negative 15 cents. So pretty much they gained 1 cent of losses, their last 2 quarters. Why do they think the bank charter is only going to give them a 2-cent boost? This could be huge, guys. This could be like a 5-6 cent move possible. We just don't know, but we know that SoFi has been waiting on this. This just gives them a lot of, less restrictions to lend in all 50 states is what Anthony Noto was saying. They had so much regulation on lending, and now it's just, they can just lend out like crazy because they are an official bank. I just want to see what this bank charter can really do. We're not going to know until the earnings, but just know the earnings are coming out in less than a month, guys. Time is flying inside of this year. Let's once again hope that inflation comes down. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing this video for you. Be sure to smash the like button. Don't forget to drop a comment. I'm going to be commenting back to as many people as I can. I hope tomorrow is not, a super bad inflation report. I don't think it's going to be anything crazy because we didn't see that gas prices really come down until, just a couple of weeks ago. So maybe July is the month we finally, have a nice, decline and maybe a 0.5% or 1%. We just won't know. But understand, guys, 8:30 tomorrow is the CPI report. And once again, SoFi is setting up for a big quarter with that bank charter license. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.